Rapid and focused feature. Being successful at government contracting means your business has to step up and operate at a higher level. Why? Because government contracts are based and assessed on who will deliver the work. This assessment determines if a business has done the work to identify key roles, define responsibilities, and ensure staffing capability aligns with contract requirements, even when using subcontractors. As an example, our client Trevon, who operates a solar equipment installation business, hesitated to ask for references, but professional coaching helped him to collect strong endorsements that boosted confidence and allowed him to get the government contract.